Hello everyone. Today let's try to see what's the problem with this brown epilator hair remover. This is not working. I'll insert a battery and show it to you. Here we go. I'm inserting a normal battery, not an alkaline. Later if it was fine, then we go for alkaline. See, it's not working. I'll check the battery voltage for you as well. Battery is full voltage, 1.5 volts. So now we have to remove this one. For that, first we need to, here you see there is a negative terminal connectivity. We should remove this one. Just slide it. It has already come out. Actually it will be stick to the ball here, so just pull it upside gently, don't break it. And now this one. Now first of all we need to remove this. Here there is a screw, it will be fixed here. We can't open it from here, we should open it from the side or the bottom here. Now take this knob out, put the meter aside, take this out. Okay, now there are locks inside here, so we need to press this way. Here it came very easily because actually already someone tried to disassemble it and the lock is broken. So while removing, what we need to do is we need to shake it gently and pull it slowly. Do not put too much of force. If you put too much of force, the lock will break. So now remove this one. As you can see, this unit is not working because there is a lot of rust. The battery has leaked. The earlier battery, you can see here leakage. The oxidation has been formed here due to the leakage of previous battery. So we need to clean it, as well as I think here we see there is corrosion on this as well. So we need to clean it. Okay, remove this ring. Be careful that you will not damage this gasket. If you damage this gasket, then the device will lose its water resistance property. Remove this one, the switch, rotary switch. As you see, there is lock here. Now clean it with a blade. We need to remove all the corrosion here. take one brush and try to clean it in the pieces. Mini. Now to clean this one as well. Take a lint-free cloth, apply some isopropylene chemical and clean it. Okay. So now I have soldered it. Let's check what it's working. So it does work now. Only thing is when I lock it completely, it's not working. So let me need to adjust it a little bit because it's not getting connected properly. Actually this one it's not placed in proper position. Just press it. Here. This one it was not in proper place, so now I'll apply a bit of glue. Take a little bit of super glue, then apply it under this terminal here. Okay, now press and hold it. Press and hold it for a minute. Okay, now let's insert it and check. It's okay. Take this knob. Okay. Cover. Just press it gently. If the front part it comes out frequently, all we can do is we need to apply a little bit of rubber base adhesive or silicone sealant and then press it gently. In that way it can be fixed firmly. This is clockwise, this anti-clockwise. Okay. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in repairing your BRAUN Epilator. What is it? And BRAUN beauty device. If this video is helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.